地铁站 Let's work on how to type subway station in Chinese. Switch the input method to Chinese. Then type DITIEZHAN and choose the first ones pop up. It's your turn now. Let's give it another try. Good job. You made it. The next ones we will learn how to say I am at the subway station. Switch the input in Chinese and type WOZAIDITIEZHAN. 我在地铁站. Please notice that I am at translates to 我在. Often you can also type the characters individually. This time I type a WO first, then type ZAI next, then type DITIEZHAN. Be cautious of any typos and take a look at the example here. I initially typed the Chinese for subway station incorrectly, so I have to restart it. This time I'm typing the entire sentence at once, like the first example, to speed things up. Awesome job! Congratulations on typing your first Chinese sentence.